Welcome to 1058 Riva, Glen, located in Vail's exclusive Sprattle Creek Estates. Sitting on just over an acre, this 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom, single-family residence offers over 7,000 square feet of livable space, over 2,000 square feet of heated outdoor living space, and unparalleled views of Vail Mountain. Come on inside and let's check out the home. Welcome in. 1058 Riva was designed with a grandiose sense of arrival, where upon entry in the home, you're greeted with sprawling Vail Mountain views. The layout of the home was designed to capture views of Vail Mountain from every space in the house. With an open concept living, kitchen, dining, it has plenty of room for entertaining. With high vaulted ceilings and voluminous spaces throughout the home, the great room flows seamlessly into the dining room and then into the custom kitchen, appointed with Wolf Sub-Zero appliances and marble slab throughout. What makes Sprattle Creek such a rare opportunity is its unparalleled level of exclusivity and privacy. There's only 14 home sites, yet you maintain the conveniences akin to living right in Vail Village. You have an optional Passport Club membership that gives you parking and ski valet services, as well as 24-hour year-round caretakers that live in Sprattle Creek Estates. So while you gain a 180-degree unparalleled panoramic view of Vail Mountain, you don't lose any of the conveniences of being right in Vail. And that is what makes Sprattle Creek such a coveted offering. The large owner suite sits secluded on the west wing of the house, creating a mountain oasis for the owners while maintaining views of Vail Mountain. The luxuriously appointed primary bath features marble slab throughout, waterworks fixtures, soaking tub, oversized steam shower, and a custom walk-in closet. The lower level of the house features a large outdoor heated living space with a custom Nest Spa in-ground hot tub, guest primary suite, and a large media room. The large media room flows into a game room with a full wet bar, perfect for entertaining friends and family.